Welcome back, Diecast fans from around the world. Today we're unboxing something awesome. Welcome back to Diecast Diorama, your go-to destination for diecast unboxings and JDM car culture. Today we're taking a closer look at a legendary piece from Hot Wheels, the custom Datsun 240Z from the Vintage Racing Club series. A retro racing classic in blazing orange. Let's unbox and break it down. Alright, let's crack open the blister pack. The card art is beautiful. Trackside race scene with the 240Z charging ahead. Classic racing vibes all the way. The car itself comes in a vivid orange finish with white racing stripes. Race number 24, plus CP and Motul logos that really complete the vintage racing look. This model features classic 5-spoke wheels and a wide-body design, just screaming for track action or shelf display. Looking closely, the body has strong casting lines, from the extended fenders to the smooth coupe roofline. Those round headlights and aggressive front lip, they give off pure 70s JDM energy. This isn't just a die-cast car, it's a tribute to the golden era of Japanese motorsport. The number 24, a classic nod to endurance racing heritage. The Vintage Racing Club series is gaining attention among collectors thanks to its nostalgic card design and unique liveries. And let's be real, a custom 240Z in this paint scheme? It's a must-have for anyone building a JDM-themed collection. Whether you're just starting your diecast journey or you're a seasoned collector, this model deserves a spot in your display. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. I've got more Hot Wheels legends and rare diecast reviews coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Where are you watching from? Let us know, and don't forget to subscribe for more diecast awesomeness.